Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to the class. So today I would like to continue a problem which I would like to discuss with you from the given worksheet or practice worksheet yesterday, right? So now here they given the question, ninth question from the worksheet. They given the people in a survey, and some people will like product A, 21 numbers are there, and who like product B, 26, and who likes product C is 29. Okay, there are three sets if you consider. This is set A, set B, and set C, like that. In the set A there are 21 members, in the set B there are 26 members, in the set C there are 29 members. And the people who likes A and B both 14, the people who likes B and C 14, and the people who like C and A, that is 12, and the people who like these three products is 18. Okay, and they are asking us to find product C only. The people who like only product C we have to find, and A and C, but they not like product B, and at least one of three products. So that means we have to find A union B union C. Now as in the question I given, in the answer I have given in another method. Now I would like to discuss alternate method for that. Okay. So now this is very easiest method. We can find not only for these three problems, we can find the problems which are related to these questions. All the questions we can solve whatever I teach this problem. Okay, first of all, make sure that draw a Venn diagram for this one. How to draw the Venn diagram? Let's see. All of you know we should draw the Venn diagram. I'll draw a small circles. Okay, take the universal set, or if you don't take universal set, it's also not a problem. Take the set A, set B, and set C. Okay, set A, this is set B, means product A who like, this is the product B, this is the product C. I am taking like this. Okay, and I am taking some elements, means number of people who like exactly product A, they will not like other products. I am taking the number of people who like only product A. The people who like only product B, number of people I am taking B. The number of people who like only product C, I am taking like this. I am considering some variables. A is the number of people who like only product A. Only like the number of people who like only product B, the number of B I am taking. Okay, now the people who like A and B, I am taking this is D. The people who like A and B, that is D are there, both intersection. A intersection B is D. Okay, the people means A and B only they like, they don't like C. That is the meaning of this one. The people who like A and C but not B, I am taking this is E. The people who like. And the people who like B and C but not A, I am taking here F. And the people who like all these three products, that is G. The people who like all these three products, that is G I am taking. Okay, this is given G. I have assumed some variables with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I have taken. A is the people who like only product A. B is the number of people who like only product B, exactly like it. And C, the number of people who like only C. Now let's write these all things from the given. Let's make this all. Let's make some equations. If you find A, B, C, D, F, G, we can find all the questions what they ask on this type of questions. Okay, the first thing is N of A. N of A means what? The people who like product A. Who like means not exactly who like. In the product A, who are there? Can you see? In the product A, these people all like product A. That means A plus given. Okay, N of A is equal to 21. N of A 21 means all together A plus B plus G plus E. All are in the product A is equal to 21. This is keep it as 1. Okay, next one is N of B. N of B means how many people like? 26 people like. N of B means all people who are in the set B. Now we can write all together B plus D plus F plus G is equal to how much? 26. This is second equation. Now the people who like only product C, N of C. How many people? There are 29. They are given. So now N of C means all people in the C. C plus E plus G plus F is equal to 29. Keep it as the equation 3. Okay, now from this one, N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. How many people like 14? There are 14 people A intersection B. Can you tell me who are there in the A intersection B? A intersection B means this is the A intersection B. Can you tell this is the A intersection B? A and B who like D and G. D plus G is equal to D plus G is equal to how much? 14. This is given 14. This is equation 4 I am taking. Okay, now N of B intersection C. N of B intersection C. Can you see B intersection C? B and C. This is the B intersection C. This whole thing. This is B intersection C. G plus F. How many are there? 14 only. G plus F is equal to 14. This is equation 5. Okay. Now G plus F is 14. Now N of C intersection A. Which is C intersection A? This is C. This is A. CE plus G. N of C intersection A is equal to how many? 12. That is G plus G is equal to how much ma? Total 12. That is given. This is equation 6. Okay. Now I have made, and one more thing is there. See, N of A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C is this one. What is this one? G. Okay. N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 8. That is G is equal to 8. This is, let's take 7. Okay. Now I can find all the values of A, B, C by one equation. Now I have G value. If I have G value, I can find E value. I can find F value. I can find D value. If I find D, E, F, I can find from this each and every variable. So if you find all the variables, we can find the required answer for the given questions. Now let's see G is equal to 8. First let's from 6 and 7. From 6 and 7 equations, G is 8. Substitute here 8. 8 plus E is equal to how much ma? 12. Then E is equal to how much? 4. Now I got E is 4. Okay. Once E is I found 4, then I can find G plus F. G is how much? 8. From 5 and 7. 5 and 7. 5 and 7 means 5 is G and 7. G is how much? 8. 8 plus F is equal to 14. F is equal to how much? 6. I found F is 6. I found E. E means what? The people who like A and C only. They don't like B product. That is the meaning of E. F means the people who like B and C but not A. That is F I found. 5 and 7. Next we can find from 4 and 7. 4 and 7. I can find 4 and 7. D plus G. D plus 8 is equal to 14. D is equal to how much? 6. I found D. So I found E, F, D. D, F I found. Let's find the other variables now. From here, I can find the second one from equation 2. From equation 2, I can substitute. B I have. I don't have B. I have D. I have F. I have G. I can substitute these three because I have D. I have F. I have G. Let's see. From 2. B plus D is how much I found? B is D is 6 plus F I much how much? 6 and 8. G is 8 is equal to 26. Now I can find B value. B is equal to 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 8 20. 26 minus 26. B is 6 I found. Okay, B is 6. Now I can find others. Which is now I can find A. I can find C also. I did not see. Let's see find from 3. From equation 3, C plus I have E, that is 4. I have G, that is 8. I have F how much? 6 is equal to how much? 29. I can find C from this. 18. 29 minus 8 how much? 11. Okay, C is right. They are asking the question only C, product C only. Product C only means how many are there? 11. So directly write. Product C only means 11 I have found from here. Okay, from C 11 numbers are there. Now I can find A also. How to find A? How to find A? A is A plus G from 1. From equation 1. What is the from equation 1? A plus G plus G plus C is 21. So A plus D how much? 6. G how much? G 8. plus E how much? 4 is equal to 21. Let's find A is equal to A how much? 6 plus 8, 14, 20, 18. 18 means 20. So 6, 14 plus 4, 18. That is A is 3. A is 3. Okay. So A 3. A we have found 3. So D is did I substitute correct only? 6, 8 and 4. Correct. So 3. A is 3. Now I have found all things. Now let's go for the questions. A and C but not B. A and C will not B. A and C means what is E? Am I right? What is the E? That is 4. Okay, there are 4 persons who like A and C but not B. A and C but not B. That is not B. A and C they like only E. E how many? 4 of them. They are not like, okay, they are not like product B. At least one of 3 products. At least one of 3 products means total all you have to add. That is this question. A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G is equal to how much total? Add all the things. You will get 44. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer we can find. If they ask any other things, we can find from the Venn diagram. You can substitute A is how much here? 3. B is how much? Sometimes they may ask you exactly who like product A. That means 3 persons will like. The persons who like only B. Then we can write B how much I found? 6. The persons who like only C. Then exactly C. Exactly A, B, C means then we can each part we can tell. According to the Venn diagram, we can find all the answers by using this method. I hope you understand. Go through the video again. You will clearly understand about it. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. No worries. So thank you.